A lot of things happened this week, and at the end of it, very little has changed. Obama was re-elected as US President, while Greece narrowly passed yet another austerity vote, although it is still on the verge of default. Both the European Central Bank and the Bank of England left interest rates on hold. The Bank of England also allowed its quantitative easing programme to come to an end without announcing an extension. China, meanwhile, is about to announce a new generation of leaders who will do everything in their power to keep things business as usual. Outgoing President Hu Jintao said that China will not move away from one-party rule. After falling for 4 consecutive weeks, gold climbed steadily for most of this week. The sharpest move came on Tuesday, while US voters were still going to the polls. There was a rumour doing the rounds of trading desks at the moment that this was caused by the Soros fund buying gold, although this remains just a rumour. As the week went on, the gold market seemed to view Obama's re-election as a positive thing. The logic is that Obama is less likely than Romney to want a new Federal Reserve chairman who would implement less accommodative policy, a development that would have been bad news for gold. Uncertainty over the upcoming fiscal cliff of tax rises and spending cuts probably also played a part. The classic safe havens of gold and the dollar both performed well this week. Friday afternoon's London gold fix was $1,738.25, a 3.2% weekly gain. Friday's silver fix, meanwhile, was $32.16. This was only a 0.7% weekly gain, although this is because the previous Friday's silver fix happened before the release of non-farm payrolls, which sent precious metals falling at the end of last week. Next week sees the release of the latest Federal Open Market Committee minutes, as well as economic growth data from major Eurozone economies. Sunday to Tuesday also sees the annual London Bullion Market Association conference, which this year is in Hong Kong. BullionVault's Adrian Ash will be there, and you can read his updates on goldnews.bullionvault.com.